Three outfits. Which one would you choose? Dark pink, blue, or just pink? Hi Cara, I made three designs of doll outfits. The pink one and the blue one and a dark pink one. Which one would you like? I really like the blue one, but because I like pink, I think I will go for the pink one with the flowers on. Miriam, how long will you think will it take to make these dresses? It will take me about 3 days to make the dress. And oh, wonderful! Can't wait. I love the material. Bye, Miriam. Phone me when it's ready. Thank you for coming to my shop. See you next time. Bye. So Carla is my first customer and she chose the pink outfit with the flowers on. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.